Hello, this is my first video since I've changed my business name to Natura Emporium, and I wanted to show you the latest Natura product which launched over the weekend, and it's these lip balms. This one is peppermint. It's got a nice pink, light pink colour. We also have lavender. That's got a purple mauve sort of colour. And finally we have rose geranium, which is a really pale pink. All of the tints, the pigments that I use, come from plants, which is amazing. When I found them online, I did a little squeal because I was so super excited. And I am a bit of a lip balm sucker, addict, junkie, whatever you like. I love lip balms. I don't really do lipsticks, but I love lip balms. And I will admit that I use all three throughout the day. I usually start off with the peppermint, so this is one. You can see I've dug into it already. The mint is just so fresh and tingly on your lips. I love it. Also, peppermint is really good if you suffer from cold sores. It's really good and for healing and helping to get rid of the virus there. So you can see I've already had a bit of a dig in, and what I really love about these lip balms is that for me, I have naturally long nails. I like having long nails, and lip balms are notorious for getting stuck under your nails, and I don't particularly like that because you're digging around. But these lip balms are actually really creamy in texture, so you just take your finger, whichever finger, and you dab. There you go, it's already deposited itself onto my finger. No mess, hasn't gone under my nails, I'm not having to scrape it out, and then I dab it on. I can smell the mint already. Oh wow, it's just so lovely first thing in the morning. You don't need coffee, you just need some mint lip balm. Wow, it's just opened up all of my senses, and you can see it's left a gloss, and the tints, it's not a lipstick. It's not going to stain your lips like a lipstick would. There's not enough pigment in there for it to do that. You'd have to have a whole load of pigment, and it would be incredibly solid like a lipstick for it to stain. But you can see that it's got a nice gloss. It's not too much, and it's not sticky. It's absolutely not sticky. I can't stand lip balms that are sticky and it feels like I've got jam or something on my lips. It's horrible. These are really light and they sink in. So I use this one first thing in the morning because it's just that mint first thing it's invigorating and energizing. Then throughout the day I'll switch and I'll use the rose geranium one. Oh, it's like being in a wild garden. It's beautiful. Oh, it's really soothing actually. Really soft and soothing. And then before bed, I like to put lip balm on before going to bed as well. Kind of like I use a face serum and eye serum before bed too. I use a lavender one because lavender, we all know, it's just such a soothing scent, and it's perfect for bedtime. So there you have it. All three of them are available in my Etsy shop, and you can go and have a little look. I do hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you for watching.